This video will cover how to install the smart Wi-Fi adjustable panel light with pan and tilt camera. Start by screwing the eye hook into the mounting surface. If installing in drywall or concrete, drill a hole, then insert the mounting anchor. Next, install your adjustable panel light camera. Now, secure the safety cable by attaching the carabiners to the eye hole on the camera and the eye hook. Adjust the light panels to your liking. Remove the dome that encases the camera. To enable the storage of video, insert a micro SD card into the slot on the side of the camera. Next, ensure that the indicator light is rapidly blinking red. If it is not, use the reset pin to press and hold the reset button until you hear an audible tone. Now, open your Feit Electric app and tap Add Device or the plus sign. Tap Security and Cameras, then tap Camera. Confirm that the indicator light is rapidly blinking red and tap Next. Then confirm. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi network's username and password. Tap Next. Now, make sure your screen brightness is turned all the way up and hold the QR code 6 to 12 inches from the camera. Try your best to avoid any glare on your screen. Wait until you hear an audible tone. Once you hear it, tap I heard the beep. Be sure that you are connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Range extenders may be considered for additional coverage due to possible interference caused by automated garage openers, appliances, and shared circuits. You will know your device is connected when you see the confirmation screen. Tap Done. Now that your panel light has been connected, you can swap between high definition or standard definition video quality, turn the sound on and off, or zoom in and out. You can make your feed full screen, take pictures, press and hold to talk, and record video. Play back your video feed, or view your saved videos or pictures. You can even adjust the style of your background. Toggle night vision and enable motion detection notifications. Turn your siren on and off, or turn the panel lights on and off. You can even set a schedule for this. You can view your notifications, and finally, you can adjust the direction of your camera. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your smart adjustable panel light with pan and tilt camera.